What causes a drain clog? How much food debris is okay? What happens if I accidentally dump the wrong thing? Keep watching for a breakdown. Your parents might have told you to save the bacon grease, but beyond that, drain care can be confusing. Since its founding in 1911, State Chemical has had decades of experience tackling drain problems, so we know what's causing the problem and how to solve it. Today, we'll provide a list of 7 common things that will clog your drain in no particular order, starting with fats, oils, and greases. When someone says not to put grease down your drain, you likely already know that, thinking again of bacon grease. But are you also avoiding drainage of soups, mayonnaise, and ice cream? FOGs are present in more substances than we realize, and they are a prime culprit for drain clogs. If you pour melted butter down your drain, it runs down the pipes initially, but it hardens as it travels down, congealing to the sides of the pipes. Now you have buildup. Imagine doing this regularly with melted butter, canola oil, salad dressing, peanut butter. The buildup in your pipes will thicken considerably, making it hard for water to run down and easy for other objects to get caught in the gunk. This may sound like a drastic example, but over time, this is what your pipes will look like if you dump FOGs down the drain. Sometimes, some amount of FOG drainage is unavoidable, but try to discard FOGs in a designated disposal container, which you can simply throw away. Next, hard foods. Hard foods include eggshells, coffee grounds, seafood shells, and more, all of which cause drain clogs. Even if you have a garbage disposal, these items will not grind up easily, possibly causing damage to your garbage disposal, and the bits are prone to get stuck in congealed FOGs on the sides of the pipes. It's a common misconception that if you have a garbage disposal, you can put almost anything down your sink. But this is not true. Garbage disposals can help to grind up bigger pieces of soft foods, but they can't fully break down hard foods, leading to clogs. Throw these items in the trash instead. Absorbent foods cause drain clogs. Absorbent foods like pasta, rice, and flour can also cause drain clogs. Think about it. If you dump rice down your drain and it settles at a curve in the pipes, what will happen when you run water? Same thing that happens when you put it in a pot. The rice will expand. The more it expands, the heavier and stickier it will get, and the harder it will be to flush down your drain. Don't put dairy products down your drain. You should also avoid putting milk or dairy down the drain. Why? For one, the fats in milk will cause buildup in your drain, as with FOGs, that can lead to clogs. But milk can also pose an environmental risk. The bacteria that feed unspoiled milk use up a high level of oxygen. When you put milk down the drain, these bacteria take up more oxygen, meaning there is less for fish and other aquatic life. Too much milk in the waterways can literally suffocate marine and freshwater creatures. It is such a concern that it is a punishable offense for businesses to pour milk down their drains in countries like the UK. To properly dispose of dairy, throw it in the trash or reach out to your local trash and recycling service to see if they have any guidelines you should follow. Sediment can clog your drain. Chances are that you're not purposely putting dirt down your drain. However, you must think about what's getting caught in safe substances. For example, your cleaning crew might dump the mop bucket down the drain after mopping. This shouldn't be a problem if it's just water, a cleaning solution, or a disinfectant. But think about everything the mop might have picked up during use. Dirt, tiny rocks, and more will likely be going down your drain too, settling in the pipes with the potential to cause clogs over time. Paper and cotton products will clog your drain, even if they claim to be flushable. Have you ever seen flushable wipes on the shelves at a store? Although they make the claim, products like these should not go down your drain. Paper and cotton are other materials that absorb water, and if you flush them, they will block up your pipes, which will require severe intervention to clear. Avoid putting paper towels, wipes, sanitary products, and packaging down your drain. These products can cause some of the worst clogs you'll experience, so throw them in the trash instead. Don't put harsh chemicals down your drain. While they won't cause clogs, watch out for harsh chemicals when you're putting things down the drain because of the environmental risk they pose. Be sure to read the label directions before you dispose of anything in the sink. For example, maybe you want to dispose of a pesticide, and you decide to dump it down the drain because it seems easier. However, this can be hazardous to both humans and animals, and your municipal water treatment facility will not necessarily be able to filter this out. Always read product warnings before disposing of chemicals down your drain. Properly dispose of harsh chemicals, follow disposal instructions on the label. You can also reach out to your local health agency for information on proper disposal. So what can I put down my drain? Now that you've got an idea of what to avoid putting down your drain, here's some items you can put down it. Soft foods like eggs without shells, most liquids like vinegar, juice, or boiling water, as well as fruits and vegetables will most likely be harmless for your drain lines. Educating your staff is the most important way you can control what goes down your drain. It can be hard to differentiate what's safe and harmful, so talk to your staff about proper disposal of FOGs and other harmful substances. Now that you understand what should be avoided, and you're worried about the expired milk you dumped down your sink last night, it's time to think about solutions. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us page to get in contact with an experienced representative, or learn more by visiting the Learning Center, and you'll save time and money with free-flowing drains.